Hey there, fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Today, we will explore the wild and wonderful world of outdoor gear. We're diving deep into what makes or breaks the perfect outdoor experience. Whether you're a seasoned hiker, a weekend camper, or someone just starting to dip their toes into the great outdoors, this is the guide you've been waiting for. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and embark on this journey together. Are you ready to gear up? Let's get into it. Meet the Leatherman Skeletool, a simple yet powerful multi-tool that keeps everything you love about Leatherman in a slim, easy-to-carry design. Ideal for those who value efficiency and precision in their tools. Specially designed for military use, it's also a great addition for law enforcement or civilian users. This multifunctional tool has various features, including pliers, a knife, a saw, and even a hammer. It has specialized parts for maintaining firearms, such as a bronze carbon scraper and a firearm disassembly punch. What sets the MUT apart is its approach to convenience and durability. It can be operated with just one hand, making it easy to use in a pinch. Plus, it has a sturdy sheath and an extra bit stored in the handle, enhancing its functionality. Explore the outdoors confidently, carrying the Arcturus heavy-duty survival blanket, your go-to gear for any adventure or unexpected situation. Fashioned from durable materials, it serves multiple functions, including a ground cover, shelter, tent, or emergency blanket. This makes it perfect for camping, hunting, and boating, or simply to keep on hand in your vehicle for unforeseen circumstances. Featuring a reflective mylar side, the blanket can reflect heat back to you or serve as a signaling device in emergencies. The opposite side is crafted from dual layers of polypropylene, adding a waterproof quality, whether used as a tarp or protective shelter. Though highly functional, the blanket is also lightweight and easily portable, with its own carrying bag measuring roughly 5 feet by 7 feet. It even includes 4 reinforced grommets, allowing it to be easily secured or hung. Whether for comfort, protection, or emergency, this survival blanket meets various outdoor needs. Dive into adventure with the Beavercraft Bushcraft BSH-3, a sturdy knife ready for all outdoor needs. It features a high-quality carbon steel blade with a special protective coat to resist corrosion, which is incredibly useful in wet or damp environments. This knife is built with full tang construction, meaning the blade extends through the handle, providing excellent support, balance, and long-lasting durability. The handle is crafted from European walnut. Its ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable and secure grip, which is essential for precision tasks while camping or engaging in bushcraft activities. For safety and convenience, this knife comes with a genuine leather sheath featuring 2 belt loops for secure carry. This allows you to have easy access to your knife when you need it. One of the distinctive characteristics of this knife is that its spine can be used alongside a flint rod to spark a flame, making it not just a cutting tool, but a helpful fire-starting instrument. Whether for making camp or handling various survival tasks, this Beavercraft knife is a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Meet the T-Rex Brute Force Duct Tape, far beyond any tape you've used. Crafted with innovative ForgeLink technology, it's designed to be the toughest tape out there. With just a single loop, it can hold over 700 pounds. Due to its exceptional strength, this tape isn't one you can tear with your hands. Moreover, it boasts a waterproof backing, allowing it to be used in wet conditions without a hitch. Its sticky, double-thick adhesive clings firmly, even to rough and dirty surfaces, making it perfect for serious jobs. Plus, it's made to resist UV damage, so it's great for outdoor tasks without worrying about sunwear. Whether working on a demanding project on a job site or doing repairs around your home, T-Rex Brute Force Tape is designed to hold more and handle anything, making your work easier and more efficient. Face the elements with confidence thanks to the UCO Survival Stormproof Match Kit, your reliable partner for sparking a flame when it matters most. The kit includes 25 matches specially crafted to withstand extreme weather conditions. These matches are wind and waterproof, ensuring they light quickly and consistently, even in heavy rain, strong winds, or snow. Impressively, each match can burn for up to 15 seconds, and remarkably, they can relight after being submerged in water. The kit includes 3 strikers, along with a waterproof case that not only floats, but can also securely hold up to 40 matches. This case is made from durable ABS plastic, ensuring the contents stay dry and protected no matter what. The case also features an integrated, replaceable striker, making it easy to light a match. The length of the matches is thoughtfully designed to keep fingers safe from burns. Weighing just a little over an ounce, This compact and lightweight kit is a must-have for camping trips, emergency kits, or as a part of your outdoor essentials. It's reliable, easy to use, and provides peace of mind, knowing you can make a fire when needed. Step into the unknown prepared with the 72 Pro by Uncharted Supply Company, the ultimate survival kit now crafted to support 2 people for 3 days. This kit builds on the success of the original 72 with enhanced tools, materials, and a carrying system designed for extended use. It includes a durable, waterproof tarpaulin backpack with a soft frame harness redesigned for comfort, making it easier to carry all day. This survival system contains essential gear such as a full tang knife with a rubber grip, anti-fog ski goggles, a robust metal water bottle, and an upgraded first aid kit. Additionally, it features essential survival items like fire starters, emergency food rations, a tri-band radio, a water filter, and a multi-tool. Each kit also comes with an expanded insert with screen-printed survival instructions, offering crucial tips on various survival techniques. Unlock your outdoor potential with the Schrade Skax 5 Tactical Hatchet, your versatile companion for camping, survival, and more. This hatchet measures about 13 inches long and has a sharp 3.1-inch blade made from high-carbon steel. This material ensures the hatchet is both durable and reliable for any task. The handle is crafted from tough nylon fiber, providing a secure grip that's shaped to fit your hand comfortably, reducing the risk of slipping during use. Adding to its versatility, the hatchet includes a nail puller and pry bar at the back end, making it a multifunctional tool for different situations. It comes with a black nylon belt sheath for safe and convenient carrying. Whether you're setting up camp, making kindling for a fire, or need a sturdy tool for emergencies, the Schrade Skax 5 Tactical Hatchet is a dependable choice. Gear up for action with the 5.11 Rush Moab 10, the smart tactical sling bag that brings military-grade organization to your adventures. This bag allows space for your gear and accessories, and allows you to customize the bag's organization to fit your needs. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold a variety of items securely. In addition, there's a front compartment for items you need to access quickly, and a neat pocket on the shoulder strap for small essentials. Plus, it includes a pocket designed to hold a hydration bladder, ensuring you can stay hydrated on the go. This backpack is built for functionality and convenience, making it an ideal choice for anyone needing a reliable bag for outdoor activities, tactical missions, or everyday use. Slice through challenges easily using a survival machete, your dual-action ally that merges the best of a knife and an axe for all outdoor needs. This machete type typically features a sturdy, sharp blade that can withstand harsh conditions, ensuring reliability when needed. The ergonomic handle is crafted to fit comfortably in your hand, providing a secure grip to improve safety and efficiency. Many survival machetes also include additional features like a built-in fire starter, a whistle for emergency situations, or even a compass, making them essential for adventurers, campers, and survival enthusiasts. The design prioritizes ease of carry, often with a durable sheath attached to a belt or backpack. A survival machete is an excellent choice for anyone preparing for outdoor explorations or looking to add a reliable tool to their survival kit. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the essentials of outdoor gear, taking a closer look at what to pack for your next adventure to ensure you're prepared, comfortable, and above all, safe. I hope this guide has been informative and enlightening, sparking that flame of adventure inside you. Remember to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow outdoor enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Thank you so much for joining us today. As always, stay safe, respect nature, and keep discovering new horizons. This is Camping Gear Junkie signing off. Until our next adventure, take care.